So a couple days ago, I did a video showing you guys a new update from your Amazon devices. Now this impacted not only the Fire Stick, but also the Fire TV and the Fire TV Cube. Now this update added a free tab to your Fire Stick, and this is where all of your free content is housed. We're talking about TV shows, movies, live sports, even whether it's integrated into that one area. Now you really don't have to go from application to application to get what you're looking for. Well, this idea isn't entirely new. Turns out that Roku's been doing this for a long time. They do have a similar feature built in, and it might even be better. We're going to jump into the details. Before you do, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Let's go. So before we jump into it, if you haven't seen that Fire Stick video, go ahead and check it out. I'll leave a link in the description as well as the comment section. So here we are on my Roku device. Now, a lot of streamers, a lot of cord cutters don't like Roku, but Roku does have a lot to offer, guys. They do have a lot of free apps on it, just like you have for your Fire Stick. And to make it even better, it is a lot easier to use. The user interface is very simple, and that's why a lot of people like it. Plus the fact that it comes on a lot of televisions, make it one of the most popular operating systems that's available. So if you have Roku, might as well check out some of these free features. So this isn't tied directly to an application, but the feature that we're talking about is the feature free tab. So to get to that, all you got to do is hit the home button on your Roku or scroll to the left. You're going to see a tab called featured free. And like I said, this is well integrated. A lot of people just go directly to the applications, but under feature free, you can see you have a ton of content. So up top, you're going to have feature content. So my name is Earl. Some other ones, you got NFL Channel Live. You also have Agent Hamilton, WWE Legends, Expandables 2, Expandable 3. So a lot of decent content that's on here. And if you look up here, you can see it's on number 13, 15, or 46. So 46 total in the featured area. Go down one more tab, you're going to have a drama tab. All right, again, you're going to have a ton of content on here. Just keep scrolling through. You can see you have 911, very popular. Good Doctor as well, more 911. Gunsmoke, Lucky Hawk. Keep going, you can see there's just a ton of content available. You also have action, you have Top Gun, Face Off, Beverly Hills Cop, Adrenaline Rush, Edge of Your Seat. All right, so look like they have a mixture of stuff on here. So Law and Order is there, Survivor, NCIS. They also have Scream, Scream 2, Rampage, documentaries as well, Swamp People, Deadliest Catch. So a lot of that content that even here you can see some of the Discovery stuff made its way over here. My 600-Pound Life. All right, they also have popular free episodes and movies. Succession, Yellowstone, Ghost, Yellowstone again. They have a Latino section, dedicated comedy section, and again, just tons and tons of pages. Live TV. So live TV, you can see they have NBC News. That's currently live. They also have News Live, Live Now, Newsmax TV, Hallmark. All right. See, Family Feud is live right there. So decent amount of built-in live movies that's on here. Thrillers. They also have Roku Originals, Action and Adventure, Dedicated Action, Watch Series Premieres for free. All right, so that's included as well. Adventure, Horror, Free Premium. You can see that one is limited time, it looks like. Look how they have Naked and Afraid of Love. You have a kids section built in. All right, so you're gonna have your Elmo, Sesame Street. Look like your some animal stuff on here. You also have romance, and below that they're gonna have some free trials. So maybe you want to check out Hulu, Paramount Plus, Discovery Plus, NBA, AMC Plus. So they have all the paid stuff on here. Maybe you want to give it a shot. News channels that's incorporated, dramatic comedies, suspense, crime, spotlight. They have 90s, crime dramas, and I can just keep going and going. And you kind of get the idea of just how much content it's on here, and this is just one area that's built in. So as far as the featured free area, this is actually pulling from different applications on your Roku device. So free apps like Roku Channel, ABC, NBC, CW, Fox, Freeform, Pluto TV, Sony Crackle, Tubi, and a lot more. So all of those applications that I just mentioned can be found in your Roku store. All you got to do is download it, then it should automatically add its availability into the featured free area. Again, if you're someone who's been a Firestick user, Video Shield user, used to Android TV or even a new Google TV interface, if you have a Roku device, if you have a Roku TV, might be worth checking out, in my opinion. Ton of content on here, and again, these are free and ad driven. So I'm gonna leave it there in the comment section. Let me know if you knew about the featured free section. Let me know if something you want to check out. I do plan on doing a follow-up video showing you the top 10 applications, free applications for Roku, so stay tuned for that. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.